Hey guys, it's the HD Gamer, and I'm back on the next episode where I get Christine to her position, and then I head over to trigger the gala event. Yay! 4th of July. Anyway, right now I'm having a problem. You see that? It's not letting me go here, and I'm hoping that when I get into there, I'll be cool from there. So, let me just, oh crap. You're about dead. Let me just give you that, because if you die, I die. Don't want to. Come on, please be safe in here. Please be safe, please be safe. Hey. Oh shit, nigga. No, don't go, don't do it, don't go. Fuck it, go. Fuck Christine, go. That's right. That's what I do. Ship. Wait. Shot. It's probably shut. Let me just find a thing. Shut. I was right. Turn off speakers. Goodbye. Let's go. Wait a second. That has absolutely no significance whatsoever. That's a terminal. You see it? You see the power button? See the power button? It's fucking stupid as hell. Stupid as hell. Let's go. Go, woman. Don't you be walking. I have things to do. I don't have time for you to just walk around. Locker key. Suit damage. Oh god, someone's downstairs. And this is key. Oh. You guys hear my doggies barking in the background? They're cute little puppies. I need you to go down there. What's wrong? It reminds you of being trapped in an auto dock. See, you look weird and not turn away. Alright, let me see if I can find another way to do this without sending you down there. Oh, thank you. I just want to thank you so much. Fucking bitch. Is this terminal? Yup. Goodbye. Yeah, I get to leave you sooner. Found the way to do the bypass from here. You should be able to just use the terminal over there. She nods gratefully, then guides the direction, gives you a thumbs up. Are you going to be okay here? Termin gives the last nod. Cool.
The bell tower. That's where you'll trigger the gala event. It's a ways up. I'm sure you'll find a way to climb up there.
Oh no, don't want to do that. Go up. Up is the way I want to go. And I want to savage all of this. Scavenge, I'm sorry, not savage. Silly me. Take. Not take. Head out. In that direction. Just gonna kinda zip through this. Because I don't really wanna. Oh, no, don't wanna go. Nice. Running around the ground like a children looking for Easter eggs. Yo, it's cool. This guy's like a secret guy. Nice, and I'm gonna sell this all to him. It was worth it. So worth the bullet in the ass. So worth it. guess that's about it in this store. I just talked to him real quick. Make sure he doesn't have any like thing like really cool that the other guy doesn't. Nope, just like everyone else. Let's go. Seeing you later, Mr. Hologram Man. Gonna miss you. That kind of made a little bit close to nothing of a shortcut. Okay. So far, I have about like 10 minutes to get to that area, so that means I have to run through everything like crazy fast. Like, when I say crazy fast, I mean like crazy as hell fast. Like, well, actually, I'm pretty soon I'll be halfway there, so never mind. I don't have to run crazy fast. I have to get there pretty soon. Yeah, hello there, Vera. Looking sexy as ever. Gorgeous. Hate Celia Del Sol. Creepy in here. It's all dark. Why does it have to be so dark? Ooh. Okay, don't want to go that way. Just realized that skeleton leaning up against it. Must not be good. I really have to like run around. This is pathetic. Straight parkour. Parkour. Oh shit. Damn, nigga, you got some nice aim. Now my ass is burning. Okay, well, I gotta think of my ways around this. What can I take him out with? I could take him out with this. Get good aim with this pistol. Of course. Shit. I want to kill him, but I don't want to die at the same time. Wow, my guy is terrible aim. Are you freaking kidding me? That was a little better. Let's see what I can take him down with. There we go. Nope, 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 nope. That's right. Damn, I just wrecked him. You all saw that, and you now think you all think I'm sexy now. Like, ooh, HD gamer, you're so cute and sexy. No, no. That's right. So we do it in the club hood dash place. What? Word. Stash, stash, stash. Where is the stash? Here's the stash. Taking everything in the stash, running out, grabbing the stuff in here first, and then running out. Oh shit, nigga. This nigga doesn't play around. What you gotta do? This thing got fighting, damn. Final blow. Damn, nigga, you just got punked. Oh shit. There we go. There we go. It sucked if he came back alive. I'd have felt somewhat of like an asshole. Is that everything from over here? Oh, there's some place over here. Ooh. I'll go to it another time. if I ever come back here, which I probably even won't, so kind of settles on my whole day. Ooh, I want to get this reinforced component. How about we just get one this time? And then I sell you back all these, and then I sell you back all these, and then I put on the new thing and see how better it is now. Mod reinforced. Ooh, okay, so this is looking even better. Don't want to use it though because it is a unique weapon, therefore making it unseen ever again. Ooh, I want to lift that up. Vodka babies, how they know how to party. They know how to party. Nice. No, I don't want a status report. It's not even worth it anymore. Nice getting all my stuff. I'm gonna sleep, actually. Oh, that. Okay, never mind. I think this is. I think I'm approaching it. Oh, well, I'm hearing bell tower rings, and that's kind of scaring me. Okay, that can stop now. I feel like it's like toning down towards my death, like doom, like here comes the Deathbringer. Okay, it's getting kind of creepy now. I'm trying to run through them, holy shit. I wonder if I could do this. Sorry guys, just want to check. Nope, can't do that. I can go like this. Boop, boop. I'm gonna use that stuff too. Okay. Oh shit. That nigga fast, damn. Shit, this is where shit gets real, guys. Remember that. Okay, well, two of them are down. Remember that. Still got a fuckload of them to go, I think. Whew. Try and get your adrenaline pumping a little bit. 'Cause you know you might die very soon and don't want to, so you get that whole aware adrenaline pumping. Where's my next guy gonna come from? Where is he gonna come from? And then right turns the corner and bam, right in the face. Like that, nigga. Oh, dang. This guy's gonna fight. This guy's a fighter. I'm gonna wait for him to rush me. Oh, dang it, that didn't work out. Dang, he's owning my ass right now. Come on, that was gay. I clearly went like that. Oh shit. Yo, I was about to die. Whoever saw, if you guys see that, rewind a little bit and check that out. I was about to die. Finally, God, I hate the trappers. They're so hard. And guys, this is like basically the end of the episode. Like, God, I didn't even think it would take me this long. Took me quite a while to do this, and yeah, so I'm approaching the bell tower though. That's the good, or the tower place thing. That's the good part. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on my next episode, triggering the gala. Sorry it couldn't be this episode. I know I kind of suck, but it'll be next episode. I'll assure you that. To all my fans out there, I'll assure you that. I knew it. Okay, well, I'll be seeing you guys later. Bye.